And now I colored green grass. I'm just gonna do this.
What? Alright. We got here what is called a Sugru.
What's a Sugru?
A moldable glue. Since we have several cords here that are broken.
Are you gonna make a red ball?
No, I'm
what are you
just...
gonna make?
Nothing. No, I'm not
Then
molding.
why does it say it's a red ball like that?
Well, they come in many different colors. We have several cords here that are broken. Do you have some scissors?
Right here.
Actually, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
So this comes in 3 packs. I've already used like 2, I've already used 2 packs. I have the last. Maybe I do actually need those scissors. Where did you girls get these scissors, huh?
I don't know. That we just got it. We just saw it there. What, did you buy another pack?
Oops.
Really? Or what?
This is all white. Hopefully this is enough to cover all of these. Let's do this one first.
Awesome.
Oh, excuse me, sorry. Okay.
Is that for chewing?
No, this is for...
Looks so squishy. But now you want to feel it? Is it for your cord?
I think I made it too big. No.
Is it for your cord? I want to feel. Look how many more there's on.
Wait. No. Hang on 1 second. So we can... Hey, excuse me, wait. Sandali. No, wait.
I want to feel that. I want to feel.
Actually, it takes about 20 minutes to dry, but then it gets really clumpy.
But now you want to feel this? This looks
thinner.
like Play-Doh. Oh yeah.
Yes, but it's not.
Oh yeah, you put it on your tongue.
Well, just enough to cover it. Can I have that one? What did you do?
There's still more.
I probably should have done this from the bigger one.
These are the same.
No, come on, stop it.
Okay.
Okay, so now you got 3 cords covered.
They're actually the same thing.
So you don't have to buy new ones,
Really?
new cords. Oops.
Cool. Mommy, they look kind of the same.
Yeah, they're all the same. We have 3 broken cords.
Oh yay, I get another one.
That's gonna get hard like glue. Okay.
Glue gets harder than this.
Well, right now it's not hard, but it'll be a little harder. And that is it. Have it, please.
Listen, Mommy. Can you color on it?
No.
Will it stay there forever when it's dry? Well, now I think this is your doll.
Yep, it should hold for...
Well, if you put it on your cheek, will it stay there forever?
Put it where?
On your cheek.
What are you doing?
It doesn't stick yet. Well, now I think this is your doll.
That'll get... Okay, so put these out to dry. Or no, I mean, not out, but leave it to dry. Hey, no more. Don't touch my cords anymore.
That one's good. Well, no, you have a crown. No, you have a crown. No, I did not. But on Monday, I did not get a crown. I only got that doll.
So that's 3 cords covered.
You had those boots, you have that dress. I didn't have the crown. No, for real, I didn't have it. I only put a hair tie on her. She didn't have one. This is what Julia got it. I know.
And that is Sugru. Stick it, shape it, it turns into rubber. Give it 24 hours. Oh, I thought it was only 20 minutes. Never mind. Oh, you have 30 minutes to get the job done.
Let me see. 30 minutes. Where is it?
Okay, that's done. Here,
Mommy,
actually,
I also got this one.
you can have that. There's no more. There's nothing else
I
left.
also got this one and
I'll let
it's
this
a
out to
boy
dry.
baby.
Alright. So that's 3 cords. Instead of having to buy new cords that are about $10 a piece of new cords, because it seems that every 2 years these break, or almost around the 2nd year mark, they tend to break. So Sugru, a pack of 3 Sugru is about 20 bucks. So instead of, one pack covers already, what, 3 cords? Maybe it could even cover more than that because I kind of used more than what I needed to. So instead of buying a new cord for $10, buy Sugru for 20, and anytime you ever have a broken cord, and it can be used for anything else other than the cords, for anything you want to glue and mold. And that's just for one little packet. So that's 3 cords patched up, and it works and bends just like the cord, and you're good to go.